Move a little to the center now. And the dance club, please go in front as you will lead the unity dance. Everybody stand up. Caitlin, Ashley, ano yung title ng isasayaw nila sa unity dance?
Well, let's bring everyone together through the power of dance. Here are all the students led by the FUR Guitar Dance Club performing Ang Sarap Maging Pilipino.
Wow! Do you agree? Masarap nga naman maging Pilipino. And MCs, who are you? You are part of this unity dance. All of us, come around. All of us are enjoying to dance to the tune Ang Sarap Maging Pilipino, led by MU's Guitar Dance Club. DJ, set the music now. Face that, children. Face that.
Nararamdaman mo ba? Ihip ng hangin ay nag-iba. Dating nahihiya, tinatanggi, ngayon'y taas noong